This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by saving a backup and turning on Show/Hide so you can see spaces, tabs, and paragraph marks. Once done, open Find and replace with Ctrl+H. This puts you in control. Now search for two spaces or a combination like space plus tab. Use the special codes in Find, press More to access. You'll work systematically. Identify the pattern, then build the replace string. This prevents accidental removals and keeps formatting intact as you proceed. You now refine searches using Word's special codes and wildcards. Start with specific patterns. Replace double spaces with single spaces, PP with a controlled style break, or T sequences. If patterns vary, enable use wildcards and craft an expression like to catch two or more spaces. Replace with a single space. Make sure to click Find next to confirm matches, then replace all when confident. This reduces errors and keeps paragraph structure stable. Finish by scanning the document for leftover odd spacing and run targeted finds for stubborn cases. You should also clear direct formatting or reapply paragraph styles if spacing persists. That fixes inconsistent line and paragraph spacing. If something goes wrong, immediately revert to your backup copy and repeat with more specific Find/replace patterns. Don't use global replace all blindly. One key tip: use replace on a selection to limit impact when unsure, and then expand once safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.